What is noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Person such as teacher, doctor, mom and dad. Place such as school, park and zoo. Things such as ball, apple and car. Animals such as dog, cat and elephant. Dear students, say it with me. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Which is the noun? Option A, cat. Option B, chair. Option C, pencil. Yes, it's a cat. Cat is a noun. But guess what? Chair and pencil are noun too. Which one is not a noun? Apple, happy, table. That's right. Happy is not a noun. It's an adjective.